Hey, welcome back to RC 101 with the Taoist Flyer. Today we're going to take a look at WLtoys DQ-242 5.8 GHz FPV real-time nano quad rotor. This is going to be a tiny first-person view aircraft. Comes with a transmitter, aircraft, battery, everything you need to get started. Let's take a look. Oh, that is a nice tiny little aircraft. Let's pull off the shrink wrap here. That's a very nice tiny little 5.8 gigahertz FPV aircraft there. And it looks like that is our battery. And it seems to be encased in there. I don't know if you can remove it from this or not, but it does seem to only come with the one battery that shoves in and turns the aircraft on. So that's nice that it's a pretty quick, easy in and out battery system right there. Tiny little FPV camera. There's our antenna. Nice little legs there, little rubbery legs. Let's see what else we get in the package. We've got our 2.4 gigahertz RC transmitter with a 5.8 gigahertz FPV video monitor. It's kind of wide, but it's a pretty nice little transmitter. Got two buttons up on the top that have buttons on either side, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons there. Got your trims, got your 4 control sticks, nice little sun shield. And it actually uses a rechargeable battery, 3.7 volt rechargeable battery in the transmitter, so that's different. That's actually a pretty nice little feature there. And let's see what else we've got in the package here. It looks like we've got a nice little bag of spare rotors and chargers here. Let's see, we've got a micro SD card, a 4 gigabyte micro SD card, and USB reader. We've got a charger that's probably for the transmitter battery, and we've got a power cable to the WLtoys charger for the aircraft battery. And it also looks like it comes with a set of 4 rotors. And let's go ahead and charge this battery up and see how it flies.
First, let's go up and do a range test. See how high up we can get her. Good range. Oh yeah. That's got some really nice range. I've got good control over it. Big flip. Got a good tight little flip. Really nice though, that just drops straight down without any problem. Really good, smooth turns. Video on the image is a little choppy, but it's okay. Back this way. I'm gonna go over the top of our house.
very, very, very smooth. Such a tiny little thing in the wind. Okay, let's test out the headless mode. Press down on the right stick to go into headless mode. And press down on the left stick for your one-button return. Works okay. I've seen better headless modes, but flies great. I mean, it is so smooth. It has all the power it needs to do it at once. Seems to be getting some good video. Great range. Phenomenal range for such a small aircraft. It really knows what it's doing. Well, that's the WLtoys DQ-242. And this aircraft definitely exceeded all of my expectations. It's a very smooth flying aircraft. It has a lot of power. It has no trouble indoors or outdoors. It can fight the wind. It gets decent video. It does a good tight flip. The headless mode isn't that good, but everything else on it is amazing. It's a very sturdy, durable plastic body. I'm not the biggest fan of these proprietary sliding batteries. I would like a more standard battery. And it would be nice to have an on-off switch so that it's not on as soon as you plug it in. But really, it's a very professionally made aircraft. The little rubber feet on the bottoms of each rotor arm really help cushion landings. Altogether, the plastic body is very sturdy, very strong. The lights are nice on it. The FPV gets really good range. The transmitter has its own rechargeable battery, which is just a really nice feature because this transmitter really does eat through batteries. So it does save a lot of money to have that rechargeable battery in there. The frame rate of the FPV isn't the best in the world. It's probably 15 to 25 frames per second. But, I mean, you get some good, decent, smooth video, and the aircraft is just really easy to fly. It's very smooth. It does exactly what you want when you want it to do it. Has no trouble fighting the wind. It has no trouble indoors or out. Definitely a good little palm-size FPV quadrotor. Definitely worth checking out. So if you have a chance, definitely check out the WLtoys DQ-242. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more.